Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. First, open the shelf and check the system volume slider. Make sure it isn't set to 0 or muted. Next, press the Chromebook Volume Up key once to see if levels change. You're testing hardware key response. If you use Bluetooth or wired headphones, disconnect them now to force internal speakers. Once done, reboot only if the keys don't respond. That clears temporary software audio conflicts and prepares you for deeper checks. Now dive into settings and select audio to confirm the correct output device, internal speakers versus a Bluetooth headset, because the wrong target sends no sound. If the device is correct, check for pending Chrome OS updates and install them. Drivers and audio fixes often arrive via updates. Restart after updating to apply changes. If the problem persists, use the built-in diagnostics in settings to test speaker playback. This isolates hardware faults from software issues, so you know whether to escalate. Finish by performing a controlled reboot and inspect Chrome. / flags only if you're comfortable. Reset any audio-related flags to defaults to undo experimental changes. Then sign into a guest profile or a different user account to confirm the issue isn't tied to your profile settings. If sound works there, clear cache or remove extensions in your main profile. If hardware still fails after diagnostics, contact support, document model, serial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.